How can I turn a new record into a calendar event? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. Please subscribe to our channel to get more daily tutorials. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new record in Airtable. Then we'll be taking the details of that record in order to create a new calendar event in Microsoft Outlook. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be Airtable to Outlook Calendar. Then we're going to select our trigger by clicking in the trigger box. Our triggering app is going to be Airtable, which is down here in my recent apps section because I used it recently. The event is going to be new record. To make sure I'm connected to my Airtable account. My base within Airtable that I want this workflow to monitor is my events base. And table 1. So we'll test that trigger. You can see we have a few records here. We'll use this record 3 to build our workflow. So we have an event, and we're going to use those details to put it onto our Outlook calendar. So I'm going to click continue. I'm going to select Microsoft Outlook for my recent apps. I could also type that in here if I wanted to. The event is going to be create event. I'm going to make sure I'm connected to my Microsoft Outlook account. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of the video. The calendar that I want to put this event onto is just my basic calendar. You would want to select whichever calendar was appropriate for your business. The subject of the event is going to come from my trigger. So I'm going to click the plus sign, come to my drop-down menu, and find the event name, which is how I labeled my column in Airtable. The start date and time, click on the plus sign there, find the start date and time, the end date and time, also coming from the trigger, scroll down, find my end date time. This is not an all-day event, so I'm going to say no. The description, also coming from the trigger, is my notes. And I'm going to say that I'm busy because I am at this event. So all the details of the subject, start time, end time, and description are going to be coming from my trigger. That only works if I've set up my Airtable with the appropriate information in the columns so that I can import them into Outlook. So I'll click continue, and we'll test this action. And we have a success. So I can click continue here. I can come over to my Microsoft Outlook calendar, and I can see that event was just added. It has a start time, end time, description, and title of the event. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I can come back over to the workload editor. I'm seeing my trigger as the red dot. So if I click on it, it's now turned green. So now I'm ready to activate my workflow by clicking on the activate button. And now whenever I have a new record in this specific table, the details will be used in order to create an event in Microsoft Outlook Calendar. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that will automatically create calendar events from new records. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this video with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.